Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people in which part of the world you know there. As me there I season up some chicken, you know, it take me down a memory lane. You know, remember back in the day when old time people used to take chicken fat or pork fat and make oil. Me remember back in the day, my granny, me Selva used to use a chicken, a fat from the chicken back or the chicken and make oil. And you see when she make this oil, you see here, me just put the chicken fat them in the man and look there, you know, see the oil down there, so my people. My granny, Miss Selva, after this year, after I don't know when the oil cool, she would have poured it in her bottle. And then now, my people, she would have used it for cook for the rest of the week or any little time when she want oil. My people, them your memories, you know. Drop a line below, make me hear how much I want to have them your memory. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world, you know there. Memories!